Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down some of the top 5 best bank transfer Forex brokers that stand out. We've got something for every type of trader. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. At number 4 on our list is Eightcap. Eightcap is a global online trading platform that offers competitive trading services in Forex, CFDs, and other financial instruments. With a focus on providing traders with access to advanced technology, low spreads, and high liquidity, the broker aims to deliver an optimal trading experience. Their platform is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, ensuring a secure and trustworthy environment for both beginners and experienced traders. By offering a wide range of account types, trading tools, and educational resources, Eightcap strives to meet the diverse needs of its international client base. Eightcap offers a wide range of trading instruments across multiple asset classes, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios with ease. Clients can trade Forex pairs, indices, commodities, shares, and a large selection of cryptocurrencies. With competitive spreads and flexible leverage, Eightcap provides access to both traditional and emerging markets through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 offers an intuitive interface with flexible trading systems, while MetaTrader 5 supports a wider range of order types and provides an enhanced charting package with 21 timeframes and over 80 technical indicators. MetaTrader 5 also facilitates automated trading through expert advisors. Additionally, the broker integrates with TradingView, allowing clients to trade directly from TradingView's advanced charting interface. This integration enables seamless access to over 800 CFD markets, combining TradingView's powerful analytical tools with Eightcap's trading infrastructure. The broker offers a variety of trading account types to cater to the needs of different traders. These include the Standard, which provides competitive spreads and access to a wide range of instruments, as well as the Raw account, which offers tighter spreads and commission-based pricing for more experienced traders. Eightcap also provides a TradingView account, which integrates the broker's trading services with TradingView's advanced charting platform. This account provides traders access to a variety of instruments with spreads starting from 1.0 pips and a minimum deposit requirement of $100 US. The TradingView account caters to both novice and experienced traders. Eightcap provides a range of educational resources designed to support traders at all levels. The broker offers webinars, video tutorials, and comprehensive guides covering various aspects of trading, from platform usage to advanced strategies. Additionally, the broker's educational content includes market analysis, trading tips, and expert insights to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about market trends. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and improve their trading experience. Coming in at number 3, we have FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. At number 2 on our list is HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated, reputable online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to auto chartist, a virtual private server hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. Accounts are available on micro, premium, zero spread, and HF copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours 6 days a week, customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. HFM provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, and more. They also provide entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. If you are interested in any additional educational content with HFM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best bank transfer Forex brokers, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is a global provider of online trading services, offering access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With a reputation for transparency, reliability, and competitive pricing, Tickmill is dedicated to providing traders with the tools and support they need to succeed in the financial markets. Founded in 2014, Tickmill has grown rapidly, serving clients from over 200 countries and territories worldwide. The broker provides access to cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet their diverse needs and preferences. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web platforms, as well as the Tickmill mobile trading application. These platforms offer a seamless trading experience across multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, allowing traders to stay connected and trade the markets anytime, anywhere. Tickmill offers a range of trading account types designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. Their accounts include the classic and raw account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are looking for tight spreads, low commissions, or additional trading features, Tickmill has an account type to suit their preferences. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources such as trading strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. These resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of experience, from articles and videos to webinars and seminars. Tickmill's educational offerings are accessible and informative, helping traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Overall, Tickmill stands as a trusted global provider of online trading services, committed to delivering excellence, transparency, and reliability to traders worldwide. With a comprehensive range of market instruments, advanced trading platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources, Tickmill empowers traders to pursue their financial goals with confidence and success. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced professional, the broker offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. And those are some of the top 5 best bank transfer Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.